embarrassing. To my friends around the world, I apologize for what you saw on January 6th in Washington, D.C. To my friends in the United States, it's time that we start rebuilding. The U.S. Capitol doesn't deserve this. It's our place to conduct the nation's business. It was embarrassing to see feet on desks. It was embarrassing to see broken windows. I've been lucky enough and blessed enough to go to the Capitol many times and conduct official business. It is a sacred place, a treasured place. When things like that happen, things change. After 9/11, security was greatly enhanced. Now, after January 6th, security will be even more enhanced, and we will pay for it. Friends and family have fought for our country. Blood has been shed. Today is the day that we start rebuilding. Today we agree to disagree, but we agree that trespassing and destroying property is wrong. Today we must start rebuilding, one block at a time. Today, let's keep pushing forward. Our actions do matter. Keep pushing forward.